Let's talk about brow lamination and staggered timings.
Staggered timings for brow lamination is not a one-size-fits-all. When I'm assessing my client's eyebrow, I first want to look at the density. Is it fine, natural to healthy, or is it coarse? This specific model has definitely some finer eyebrows, so I want to make sure that I evaluate my processing times accordingly. She also has sparser hair towards the tail and the midsection. So what staggered timings mean is that once I get these brows positioned into place with our bonder and I apply my step number 1, I want to first apply my step number 1 at the thickest part of the brow, which to me is right about there. So my timing for her is probably going to be around 3 minutes. I'm going to put the solution here first for 3 minutes, go more towards the head, so the next thickest part, and then the tail will be the last position that I'm going to place the solution. That is what staggered timings mean. So the full brow doesn't desire a full 3 minutes. I will start 3 minutes here, and as I apply, maybe the tail will get about a minute, minute and a half. And this is how I can ensure that my brow hairs are not over processed and kept healthy.